After a few days of exploring the greater part of Meghalaya, seeing some of the waterfalls, cruising through the cleanest river in India, trekking through some crazy paths, and driving through some scenic roads, we were definitely looking for more. A hint of a spiritual connection on the last day here, a cave with a naturally formed Shivalinga with water dripping onto it. A calmness engulfed us here, and his presence felt very real. Life is, after all, very poetic. What once haunted you in terms of trekking and muscle cramps now had a new meaning. We look forward to better and challenging treks now. It's about changing your attitude towards life itself, I guess. One such place we truly loved exploring hands on, and quite literally on that, was the Split Rock Cave. This short trek is what treks should be, guided and led by experienced folks. This is tough and a great workout. You crawl in tight spaces, squeeze through a gap of rocks, soiling your clothes. This trek was truly adventurous and our most favorite ones yet. If you are coming to this part of the country, please be mindful and keep it litter free. The locals take great pride in keeping this place clean, as they love nature and it is part of their duty. Be responsible and let others enjoy what you did too.